duties
and perform my functions honestly, to the best of my ability and faithfully, in accordance with the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan and the law.
with the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan and the law.
That I will abide by the code of conduct issued by the Supreme Judicial Council.
That I will abide by the code of conduct issued by the Supreme Judicial Council.
That I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct or my official decisions.
That I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct or my official decisions.
That I will preserve, protect and defend the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan.
Protect and defend the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan.
And that in all circumstances, I will do right to all manner of people, according to law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will. May Allah Almighty help and guide me. Amin.
پشاور ہائی کورٹ کے